Once the smoke cleared, the devastation that was handed down in Greenwood was profound. 35 blocks of the neighborhood had been burned to the ground. Beyond material losses, the human toll was more tragic. While debate surrounds the death toll, it is believed that up to 300 individuals perished during the riot. After the riot, many residents of Tulsa were housed in detention centers for days before returning to find their homes and businesses destroyed. The devastation was immense, with families losing everything they owned. Despite the hardships, the people of Greenwood were determined to restore their community. The American Red Cross stepped in to provide support such as food, tents, and supplies. Residents lived in these shelters for months while rebuilding their lives. Reconstruction efforts faced challenges as Tulsa authorities tried to impose regulations that would hinder black residents from rebuilding in Greenwood. However, the community fought back with support from various lawyers who successfully challenged these restrictions in court. Through perseverance and unity, Greenwood gradually rose from the ashes, with much of the neighborhood reconstructed within 5 years. Greenwood remained a hub of community and commerce in Tulsa during the 1950s and 1960s. It never fully recovered from the devastation of 1921. The loss of savings and property made it challenging for many families to rebuild their wealth. Additionally, lingering memories of the violence deterred some from reinvesting in the area. For years, the events of Greenwood were seldom discussed in Tulsa, in schools or history books. However, the black community has kept the memory alive of Black Wall Street for generations. Over time, Tulsa began to confront this dark chapter in its past. In 1997, a commission was established by the Oklahoma State Legislature to investigate the riot. The resulting report in 2001 helped shed light on the events of the Tulsa Race Riots. In 2010, John Hope Franklin Reconciliation Park opened in Tulsa as a tribute to those affected by the riot and as a symbol of unity between races. The tale of Greenwood and the Tulsa Race Massacre teaches us many lessons.